Car Bluetooth adapters enable hands-free calling, wireless music streaming, fast charging, and safer driving while upgrading older vehicles without built-in Bluetooth. Today's video is about top 5 best car Bluetooth adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Octiso Bluetooth Car Adapter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is a practical upgrade for any vehicle, combining fast charging, hands-free calling, and high-quality wireless audio in one compact device. Its QC 3.0 fast charging port powers compatible devices up to 4 times faster than standard chargers, while the second USB port lets you charge another device or play music directly from a USB flash drive. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures quick pairing, a stable connection, and clear stereo sound for streaming music from smartphones, tablets, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. The built-in microphone with CDC noise suppression delivers crisp hands-free calls, making conversations clearer even while driving. Support for Siri and Google Assistant adds convenient voice control, allowing you to make calls, send messages, or get navigation directions without taking your hands off the wheel. With 6 built-in safety protections against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, it offers reliable performance for daily use. Compatible with 12V and 24V vehicles, this Bluetooth car adapter is an excellent choice for safer, smarter, and more enjoyable driving. Now our second product is SyncWire Bluetooth Transmitter for Car. The SyncWire Bluetooth FM transmitter is a feature-packed solution for upgrading your car with modern wireless connectivity, fast charging, and premium audio. Equipped with both a 20W USB-C PD 3.0 port and a QC 3.0 USB port, it delivers up to 38W of total power, allowing you to charge 2 devices quickly and efficiently. The latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology ensures faster pairing, a more stable connection, and smooth music streaming while supporting voice navigation through Siri and Google Assistant. A dedicated deep bass button enhances your music with richer, more powerful sound, while the stylish blue LED backlight adds a modern touch to your dashboard. Built-in CDC noise suppression provides crystal-clear hands-free calls, and the multifunction button makes answering, rejecting, or ending calls effortless without distracting you from the road. Compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled smartphones, tablets, and MP3 players, and designed for both 12V and 24V vehicles, this FM transmitter is an excellent choice for drivers seeking convenience, safety, fast charging, and high-quality in-car entertainment. Our third product is Imden Bluetooth Transmitter for Car. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is an excellent way to modernize your car with wireless music streaming, hands-free calling, and fast device charging. Powered by the latest Bluetooth 6.0 technology, it delivers faster pairing, a stable connection up to 10 meters, and smooth audio transmission with minimal distortion. The built-in QC 3.0 fast charging port provides up to 18W of power, helping compatible devices charge quickly, while the second USB port supports both standard charging and USB music playback. It also functions as an MP3 player, allowing you to enjoy MP3, WMA, and WAV files directly from a FAT-formatted USB drive up to 64 GB. For safer driving, the integrated microphone with CDC noise cancellation ensures crystal-clear hands-free calls by reducing road and wind noise, and the one-touch controls make answering or ending calls simple. For the best listening experience, tuning both the transmitter and your car radio to an unused FM frequency minimizes interference and improves sound quality. Overall, it's a practical, affordable upgrade that enhances convenience, entertainment, and safety on every drive. Now number 4, Nulaxi Bluetooth Car Adapter. The Nulaxi 2024 upgraded KM18 Bluetooth FM transmitter is a versatile and user-friendly car accessory that brings modern wireless features to almost any vehicle. Its 1.44-inch LCD display clearly shows essential information such as incoming calls, FM frequency, music details, and car battery voltage without distracting the driver. The flexible gooseneck design allows you to adjust the screen for the most comfortable viewing angle. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, it delivers faster pairing, a more stable connection, and reliable music streaming. Advanced noise cancellation technology reduces road noise, providing crisp, clear audio for both hands-free calls and music playback. The one-touch multifunction button makes it easy to answer, reject, redial, or end calls while keeping your focus on the road. It also supports multiple playback options, including Bluetooth, TF cards, and AUX input, making it compatible with a wide range of smartphones and audio devices. Designed for both 12V and 24V vehicles, the KM18 is a practical choice for drivers seeking improved convenience, safety, and high-quality in-car entertainment. And our last choice is Joyroom Transmitter Bluetooth Car Adapter. The JOYROM Bluetooth Car Adapter is an impressive all-in-one solution for upgrading older vehicles with modern wireless features. It supports both FM transmission and AUX mode, giving you the flexibility to enjoy true zero-distortion audio through the included 3.5mm AUX cable or wirelessly via FM. With Bluetooth 6.0, pairing is faster, connections are more stable, and the adapter automatically reconnects to your last device for a seamless experience. Charging is another highlight, featuring a powerful 60W USB-C PD port and two 18W QC 3.0 USB ports, allowing you to charge 3 devices simultaneously. The dedicated bass boost button delivers richer, more immersive sound, making music enjoyable even in noisy driving conditions. Enhanced microphones combined with CVC 8.0 noise reduction ensure crystal clear hands-free calls, while Siri and Google Assistant support lets you control navigation, calls, and music using voice commands. Its air vent mounting design, large control buttons, and LED-lit charging ports improve accessibility and reduce distractions, making every drive safer, more convenient, and far more enjoyable. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.